university's brief was to create a building that was of its time, a contemporary addition to the campus. So what we wanted to do was create a dynamic exterior to the building and also an interesting interior that the students were comfortable to work in.
We knew from all the survey data that we have that students wanted modern spaces, they want light and airy spaces, they want a variety of study spaces, group study rooms, social study spaces, and we needed to provide all of those things within one very large environment.
It's definitely a really good place to study. It's really quiet and the chairs are definitely more comfortable than the older ones. Students normally will go to the study space in their own building, but now everyone wants to come to this space, to the main library to study because it's just a really nice environment.
I really like the open plan that it has going on because there's everywhere you turn, every corner you see, there's always a new place for you to study. And there's something to cater for everyone. If I have a mood where I want to work silently, I have my own cubicle. If I have group work, there are great tables and so many more rooms to choose from doing group works and to book them online. Space is just not limited at all.
Throughout the design process, we created product books for each individual area, so these acted as initial inspiration. These product books would allow us to gauge feedback and get an idea of aesthetic for each area. However, for the final selection of the products, Broadstock arranged a visit to our own showroom, and that allowed us to pin down the structural elements. After each showroom visit, the whole group would get together, share ambitions, preferences on products, and then we'd work that into the next revision of the designs and work towards final sign-off.
I was surprised at the attention to detail and actually how much time they were prepared to spend with us to get what we needed. Nothing was too much trouble and we repeated ourselves quite a lot. They kept bringing us back to the core vision of what we wanted to achieve, and it helped us get there in the end.
Because it's so nice and the library is such a fun place to be at, it's become the area where we tend to socialise at the same time. The space to work is also very sociable as well. It's definitely become the place that we choose to go to first to work on rather than any other computer cluster around campus.
My expectations have been just blown away. As you look around and you see students using all of the different spaces and working together, working individually, and actually looking so comfortable in the space, then I couldn't have asked for any more.